Namaste friends. Sometimes even though we collected all the peels in a right way, we have added the jaggery water in the proportion as 1 is to 3 is to 10 is to 15. That is the jaggery, peels, the water and container capacity. Still the activity doesn't seem to be happening. It just stays like that. So in such cases what we can do is we have to just add these three ingredients, that is the banana peels, pineapple peels and lemon peels. The banana peels will have lot of sugar content which will be the food for the microbes to grow. Then pineapple peels will have lot of wild yeast naturally present in them. So they will help in the microbial activity and the fermentation to happen. And lemon will give its own beautiful fragrance in the final content. So this way, with these little adjustments, we can again restart the microbial activity in the container. So we need to consider 5 factors. Number 1 is the peels have to be fresh and they have to be cut into small pieces. Then the jaggery has to be unprocessed, because the processed jaggery will have chemicals which will block the microbial activity. The water shouldn't have chlorine in it. So again chlorine will stop the process of this microbial activity. The container has to be placed in dark and cool place. It shouldn't be exposed directly to sunlight. Then the lid of the container should be tight and it should be screw type. And once in a while, as per the activity, we need to open the lid and close to release the gases. Okay, so the lid has to be tight and container has to be well placed in the dark and cool place. The space of the container has to be maintained for the activity to happen. We should leave the space, as we have seen the container capacity has to be 15. So when all these 5 factors are well maintained, then we are good to go. So within just 2 to 3 days, the bubble formation is seen in the container and the white color is seen, which is nothing but yeast. So now we are sure that fermentation has started. So this is the first step to make any other natural cleaners. So once we are done with this, having pulpy culture and liquid culture as base, we can make more number of natural products. Thank you so much for watching.